Hi, welcome to clickmeproject.com. This video will lead us to the demo of Hospital Management System. Hospital Management System is useful for record the details of the patients. It have two levels. They are admin level, user level. In admin level, there are two members. They are doctor and bill counter admin. The user level is having the patient. Patient can easily know about the health status, and patient can easily navigate to the hospital. This is the main concept of this hospital management system. Then we can see about the introduction. Android is a mobile operating system developed by Google. It is designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. Android's user interface is mainly based on direct manipulation using touch gestures that loosely correspond to the real-world actions. Variants of Android are also used on notebooks, game consoles, digital cameras, and other electronics. Android has the largest installed base of all operating systems of any kind. Let us see the flow of the process. First of all, the person is doctor. Doctor enter into the system, and then the doctor have the options to view the patient's details. In that, the doctor can view the patient's name and then the patient ID. Then the doctor have to select a patient based on the ID, and then the doctor can update the disease details, that is the status of the disease, and then it is stored in the database. Then the second person is a counter admin. This is the bill counter admin. The bill counter admin enter into the system, and then they can view all the patient's details. In that, the patient's ID and then the patient's name are displayed. Based on that, the bill counter admin select a patient according to their ID, and then entry about the bill details, that is the amount, that is for the treatment the patient have to pay. The third one is patient. The patient have enter into the system, and then the patient can have three options. That is, the first one is location, second one is navigation, and the third one is disease and bill details. The first one is hospital location. Using this option, the patient can view the location of the hospital. And then the second one is navigation. If a patient doesn't know the path to reach hospital means, then using that navigation option, the patient can view the path to reach hospital. This is the navigation process. And then the third one is disease and bill details. Using this, the patient can know about the disease status and then the bill amount to pay, that is displayed here. Let us see the working style of hospital management system process. This is the home page, and if you click the image means, then it will go to next page. This is called as a login page. Here, if you are already registered means, then you can directly log into the system. Otherwise, we have to register into the system. In the registration page, there are three categories, that is the patient, doctor, and the bill counter admin. First of all, the entered person had to enter the name and then the password for them. Then the person have to enter their mail ID and then their password. Now a person enters into the system and then give all the details and select the patient option. Then press register. Now the patient is registered as a patient. Then another person enter into the system and then select the doctor option. Now that person is registered as a doctor. And then the third one is enter into the system. Then the third person fills all the details about them, and then the third person selects bill counter admin. This person is registered as a bill counter admin. Then the doctor enter their details and then log into the system. The doctor can view all the patient ID and then the name, and then the doctor have to enter the patient ID. Then the doctor can update the disease that is affected for the person, and then the details are updated into the database. Then the bill counter admin enter into the login process, and then the bill counter admin can view the patient and then the IDs. Based on that, the bill counter admin have to enter the patient ID and then the amount for the treatment. Then these details are entered into the database. That is, these details are updated into the database. And then the third person, that is called as the patient. Now the patient enters into our process, and then the patient have three options, that is location, navigation and patient details. First of all, the patient don't know the location of the hospital, means then the patient can click the location option and then view the location of hospital that is placed. And then the second one is navigation. By using this navigation option, the patient can select their source. The default destination is the hospital. The source to destination path is automatically displayed by using the map. And then if the patient wants to change the location, means then the patient can change the location, that is called as the source, but the destination is still same. So then the patient can see the updated path for the another source. Then the patient have third option, that is called as the patient details. In this, the patient can view the disease details and then the amount the patient have to pay. These are all informed here.